Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get straight into today's video. I'm about to fix my hair into a bun, and I do have a water bottle which contains water, a spray bottle that is, which contains water, coconut oil, and Jamaican castor oil. My hair is not soft, you can see. So the first thing I do is I soften my hair by spraying the water like I mentioned earlier. And since I want my bun to be smooth, I hold my hair into different sections. After you're done separating, you want to apply your gel. In this case, I'm using the Eco Styler gel. And you want to comb your hair in between as you're applying your gel so that it can really hold good. And after that, you're going to see how it's coming through, and you can see it's becoming softer and curly. It's getting that curly pattern, and I am loving it at this point. Continue doing the same to the whole hair until you get the desired look. At this point, you will notice that the hair is laid and it is set. This brush is the real deal. Get it, girls. Go look for that brush. Now I'm going to set it and leave it for some few minutes. After removing the head wrap, this is how my hair looks like, and I'm loving it. So I'll show you the things that I'll be using to make the fringe. I use the extra long braid Abuja. You also need a hairband, some pins, and the scissors, okay? Also note that this braid is quite thick. If you don't want something that is this thick, you can use the Abuja long, because mine is extra long. So what I did is I separated the hair into a small bunch that is manageable and what I thought would work for me. Then I attached the hairband to the hair so that I can use it to fix it on my small bun, okay? I now go straight to attaching the hair to my bun, and then it is already separated into two halves. Now I separate it into three halves, and I take the first half and roll it under the other two halves that are there. I bring it straight to the front part. I ensure it's lying in the middle of my two eyebrows. That way I am certain it's well set. I secure it using the pins that I showed you needed, and you check if it's well set and well laid. If it is, you add another pin on the other side. You pick the other half that you had separated and roll it so that it can make a smooth bun. Bring it on top of the other one half that is remaining. Roll it and make sure it is well set. I never wanted mine to be so tight. So I went round again and rolled it. And at this point, I decided to use the spray so that it can hold better. You can use pins if you don't have the spray. I then tucked it in on the back, and then I'm left with the other half. Any extra hair, I cut it off. So now onto the other half. I separate it in two parts. I take the first part and roll it on the back. I roll it again to the front and continue doing the same with the last remaining bun. Now that the bun is set, you want to move next to the fringe, the remaining part of the hair. So the first thing you do is set it down using the pins on the right side and on the left side, so that when you're using your scissors to cut it, it doesn't shift whatsoever. Use a comb to straighten this hair. Now you will start by cutting the hair, and what you want to do is make sure that you cut a size lower than where you want the fringe to lie. This is going to give you room for manipulating the hair and styling it depending on how you want yours to be, the length and the size. As you noticed, mine is quite long, so I will continue cutting it until I get the ideal size or the ideal look that I want for this particular fringe. After you get the ideal length, you can now remove your pins to check if it's the length that you want or you want to trim further. Now that you have your ideal length, I bet you didn't know that you can flat iron a synthetic braid. So what you want to do is ensure that it's on the lowest temperature possible. If your flat iron doesn't have the control button, you can just switch it on and hit it a bit, then switch it off, flat iron the hair until you get the ideal look that you want. If you feel you haven't gotten the ideal look, you can continue trimming the hair. This is my final look, guys, and I love it. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try it or not. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share. I love you guys. Bye bye.